Hello guys, here we have a hard drive. It's not turning on at all. And another thing, when I connect this drive to my PC, my Dell desktop, it doesn't power all at all, of which I believe there is a short on the board. Okay, because my PC, it doesn't start when I connect this drive. Definitely there is a short on this hard drive. So let's go ahead, let's check. See, maybe the 12 volts is shorted, but something it's shorted here. So I'll be showing you how to check a motherboard, a hard drive motherboard, step by step. Here I have my multimeter, and then this is the board. All right. So anyway, let's use a microscope to see everything. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Let's check. Okay, first of all, let's check for a short. Let's put the microscope aside and let's check for a short. Turn on your multimeter. Okay, after that you connect one probe to ground. How do we check? It's very easy. The only thing responsible for power, we have 12 volts and we have 5 volts on these hard drives. So let's check the diode there for shorts. No shorts. Okay, one side is ground and then one side it's I believe it's not ground. Let's check here. Okay, check the other side. Right here we have a short to ground. Okay, let's check. Okay, all right, there's our problem right there. This diode here, it's shorted. But anyway, let's confirm. How do we confirm? Let's check under the microscope. Okay, so we check for continuity here to here, and well, as you can see, there's a short. So what we do, it's very easy. Let's remove this diode here. Let's remove this diode right here. Okay, never mind that bent plastic connector there. Let's check right there. All right, let's focus. Okay, and then this is how you check for short. Guys, this is shorted. All right, I'm not sure if you can see. Let's check there. This is shorted. Diode is shorted. Okay, so what do we need? We need to replace this shorted diode. And one more thing, let's go back here. Focus. And then let's check for shorts again. Right, we have no short. This is ground and this is positive, ground and positive. All right, we have no shorts there. And then again, let's check there should be a continuity here. And then here we go. Okay, there is a continuity. All right. Okay, it's connected on my PC, and then there it is. This drive here, yeah, it's working fine now. It's 1000 gig, but anyway, I can't open these files. You know why? Because you'll see the information inside, of which it's not right. Anyway, let me say goodbye.